Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetLife mobile app for policy access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your mobile device. Navigate to the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type MetLife mobile app, press the search button or tap enter to begin the search. Locate the MetLife mobile app from the list of search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. Review the app description and check the ratings. When you're ready, tap on the install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap on open to launch the app. If the app does not open automatically, locate the MetLife icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the MetLife app. You may be prompted to sign in to your account. Enter your username and password to access your policies. If you are a new user, look for the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new account. After signing in, you will have access to your MetLife policies and information. Explore the app features to make the most of your policy management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.